You are going to love the 2013 C-Class. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, compass, trip odometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.